It's going to be pipe smoke and the sounds of the city. I think the guy's name is Burley, man. It's Burley something. What up, Burley? He went to his bike path in town. Showed off a little of the sights and sounds. And I thought about going downtown and sounds of the trolley, traffic, the people, the vendors and stuff like that. But this is where I hang out. This is my city. I might not be able to light this. It's pouring down rain, and I only have a book of matches. I don't have the wooden matches. Everything's so wet, like it didn't even, all the phosphorus didn't even burn off on those. I don't know. Might not be able to do it. But coming out here, I hear the sounds of the wind, osprey. And there's eagles out here actually as well. Lots of deer. So let me hunch down real fast. I don't know how that's possible. The book of matches is wet. I'm actually wet from the knee down because we had to hike across a canal. I won't be practicing smoke rings today. My dog's really wet. I was gonna rush him back to the car and dry him off. But I think he kind of likes it. He loves being dried off. But like, he plunged right into the icy cold water with a lot less inhibitions than I. You know the sounds of my city, Burley, is sound of rain. Get a lot of rain in Portland. You know, I think about rain. I think that rain gives things form. Like rain gives light form. Like at night when you're watching the rain come down, it goes around like traffic lights or something like that, and there's a little globe of light around the light. Guy whistling to his dog. It's the sounds of people with their dogs. People calling them and telling them they're bad or telling them they're good. This guy, the dog sees us. He spanked his dog, but he did it in a good way. Sometimes dogs like that. Akila likes being spanked. You know, not because I'm angry, but he likes strong pats on the butt. I could hear the rain bouncing off the inside of my hat really well. Oh my God! I just did a stem gesture, spontaneous stem gesture. You go down by the river, listen to the water flow by. God, I love being in a boat, listen to the water lap against the side of the boat. It's such a unique sound. And my first attempt at smoke rings. I think I know basically how to do it. So I think I'll bring a tripod and another camera and sit down and practice some smoke rings. Probably drive everybody crazy who knows how to do it. Oh, and the sounds of the rain on different things, like walking through this forest right here, this long stand of trees, and listening to the sound, and then walking through the fields over here and listening to the sounds, like how it varies, changes. Like most of the sound being over your head or near your feet. My feet are cold too, soaking wet. I pulled my boots off and emptied them out of water, and I wrung out my, I got these synthetic hiking socks. They're really good. They're called Acorn, which is a really good sock company. And I wrung a huge amount of water, enough water to drink, like a glass of water I wrung out of them. Got like a partial light on this. I just don't think I could light it again. That was a wet book of matches. I feel like some sort of Eagle Scout. Yeah, it's starting to go out. All right, Burley, the rest of the YouTube pipe community, keep your bowls hot.